Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. So our question is x raised to the power 6 is equal to 7 raised to the power 6. So we need to find the value of x. Now we are going to write here our first step is x raised to the power 6, shifting this 7 raised to the power 6 to left hand side, then we get minus 7 raised to the power 6 is equal to 0. So now if we write x raised to the power 6 like this, that x raised to the power 3 whole square, which is equal to 3 to the 6. So we can write here like this. So here that here 7 raised to power 3 whole power 2, which is also equal to 7 raised to power 6. So it is equal to 0. So now we see that we can use here algebraic formula, as we know that if we have a square minus b square, then it will be equal to a plus b times a minus b. So now using this algebraic formula, then we get x cube plus 7 cube times here x cube minus 7 cube, which is equal to 0. Now we see that we have two cases, that x cube plus 7 cube, this one is equal to 0, and we can write here x cube plus 7 cube, which is equal to 0. It is our first case. So similarly this one is equal to 0, that x cube minus 7 cube is equal to 0. So we are going to solve first case here, and then after this we will find out the value of x from case number 2. So now x cube plus 7 cube is equal to 0, as we know that by the algebraic formula, if we have let us consider, if we have that a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b times a square and minus a times b plus b square. So we are going to use this formula in our first case. Then x cube plus 7 cube, it can be written as x plus 7. So we are going to just write this step. So x plus 7 times x square minus 7 times x is 7x, so plus 7 square, which is equal to 0. So now here we see that we have again two cases, which is x plus 7 is equal to 0, and similarly this one is equal to 0. So x plus 7 is equal to 0, it is first one. So x square minus 7x plus 7 square is 49, which is equal to 0. Here we see that x plus 7 is equal to 0. We can shift plus 7 to right hand side, then we get minus 7. So it is our first value of x, which is real value. So we put just here that x1, so it is value of x1. Now we are going to find value of x from this quadratic equation. Here we see that it is quadratic equation, so using quadratic formula, here coefficient of x square is equal to 1, so we can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, and similarly c is equal to 49. So using quadratic formula, as we know that x is equal to minus b, so here minus b is minus 7, that plus minus square root b square, which is minus 7 square, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 49, then all over 2 times a is 1. So now our next step is x is equal to that minus times minus is plus, so plus 7 plus minus square root that minus 7 whole square is equal to 49, minus 4 times 1 is 4 and times 49. So here we don't multiply this one because we are going to take 49 common, so 2 times 1 is 2. So now x is equal to 7 plus minus square root, taking 49 common here, it is 49, so we are going to take common 49, then we get 1 minus 4 all over 2. So x is equal to 7 plus minus, here 7 plus minus that 49 square root of 49 and times minus 4, 1 is minus 3, so we can write 3 times minus 1 and all over 2. So hence our next step is x is equal to 7 plus minus, we can separate this one, so 49 square root times 3 times minus 1, so we can write minus 1 here, that iota, so square root of 3 and iota, so all over 2. Now x is equal to 7 plus minus square root of 49 is equal to 7, and then we can write I here, and square root of 3 all over 2. So it is other values of x, so we can write these two values like if we have in positive form, which is x2, so x2 is 7 plus 7i square root of 3 over all over 2, and similarly x3 is another value 7 minus 7 I square root of 3, sorry, here over 2. So it is our x2, value of x2, and it is our value of x3. So we have find out that three values of x here in first case, and now we are going to find our second case for other values of x. So now we are going to just recall our this equation, which is x cube minus 7 cube is equal to 0. So x cube minus 7 cube is equal to 0. Now using algebraic formula, as we know that if we have a cube minus b cube, then it will be equal to a minus b times a square plus a times b plus b square. So applying this formula here, then we get here x minus 7 times x square, then plus 7 times x is 7x, and plus 7 square is equal to 49, so which is equal to 0. Now here are two cases, which is x minus 7 is equal to 0, and similarly x square plus 7x plus 49 is equal to 0. So now here shifting this minus 7, then we get plus 7, so it is our value of, as we have find out three values of x, so it is our value of 4. So x4 is equal to 7. Now we are going to find out the value of x here. It is quadratic equation, so using quadratic formula, so first of all taking a is 1, b is plus 7, and c is 49. So using quadratic formula here, then we get x is equal to that minus into b plus minus square root of b square, which is 7, that 7 square, minus 4 times a is 1, c is 49, so all over 2 times a is 1. Now x is equal to minus 7 plus minus, that it is again we have the same value of x that we find out, so 7 square is equal to 49, minus 4 times 1 is 4, and times 49 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So now x is equal to that minus 7 plus minus, that taking 49 is common and then taking square, so we can get 49 1 minus 4 square root all over 2, and our next step is that minus 7 plus minus 49 square root time, just separating this one, so we get square root of 3 into iota all over 2. So now x is equal to minus 7 plus minus 7 I square root of 3 over 2. So it is our value of x, so we can write here that in positive and negative form. So x is equal to, here x is equal to, here x, the value of x is x5, so x5 is equal to minus 7 plus 7i square root of 3 over 2. So it is our fifth value of x, and similarly x6 is equal to minus 7i square root of 3 over 2. So it is our sixth value of x. So we have find out 6 value of x in this problem. So now just checking our problem and values of x, so it is 1 2, and similarly it is third value of x, and this one fourth and fifth. So we can just check out our solution. So it is sixth value of x, hence we have find out that six values of x. So that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.